My name is Sanvi. I studying in first standard. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Deshpur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Impal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Mysore; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Gangtok; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; West Bengal, Kolkata. Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari; Indus, Kaveri; Krishna, Mahanadi; Narmada, Periyar; Taminabarani; Vaigal; Yamuna. Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi; Navaratri; Dasara; Deepavali; Mahashivaratri; Christmas; Eid; Holi; Moharram; Good Friday. Hindu lunar months: Chaitra; Vaishakha; Deshra; Ashana; Shravana; Matrapada; Ashveja; Kartika; Bhargashiva; Pusha; Magha; Palguna. Parts of speech: loud, pronoun, adjective, verb, head verb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Religions of India:
Religions of India: Hinduism; Islam; Christianity; Sikhism; Buddhism; Parsi.
Women freedom fighters of India:
Women freedom fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh; Dona Safale; Sujata Kupale. Kambara.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dasavatara of Lord Vishnu. Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Nasimha, Vamana, Pashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivas Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Gomi Baba, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Meghna Shah, Satyanath Bose, Anu Kokrekal, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Districts in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajnagara, Chikkaballapura, Chitradurga. Dakshina Kannada: Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Haveli, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagara, Raichur, Shivamogga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yadgiri.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Indian monuments.
Indian monuments: Agra Fort, Ajanta Caves, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Kol Gumas, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillar, Jama Masjid, Khajuraho Temple, Meg Palace, Mysore Palace, Qutub Minar, Red Fort.